Colt, show me how your cars go down. Put the cars down your ramp. Show me how they work. Come on. Show me how they work. Put them down. Put this down the ramp. Can you put her down? Show them how you do the car. Show them how you do the car. Oh, yeah. Whoa, push her up. There she goes. Oh. You gonna do it again? Push her. Good job, buddy. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Hi. What's he doing? Did you get cars? Huh? Can you say mama? Can you say dada? Can you say dada? Can you say hot? Hot? Dad?
Dada.
Say mama? Colton, say mama?
Bye.
Say sissy?
Sis.
Sissy? Say Nana? Where are you going?